Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the maintenance light on your Acura RDX. This is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. You won't need any special tools, just your car and a few simple steps. Let's get started and get that light turned off. First, turn your car's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, locate the Select/Reset button, usually found on your dashboard. Press this button repeatedly until the oil life message is displayed on your multi-information display. This is the key screen we need to access. Once oil life is displayed, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage on the display will start to blink. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it again for another 5 seconds. This action confirms your intention to reset. After holding the button for the second time, the oil life display should reset to 100%. This indicates that the maintenance light has been successfully turned off. Congratulations! You have now reset your Acura RDX maintenance reminder. You're all set until your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.